Hello, everyone. So, in the last 2 weeks, I have been trading this bottom pattern. It has been the perfect time for that. And the reason is that we have been in a downtrend because of this tariff and uncertainty, etc. etc. This was a good time for bottom patterns. And basically, what I'm looking for is something like this. Let's say that you trade based on your time frame, you have some moving average that you like, or exponential moving average. It could be 21, 34, 50, 200, whatever it is that you decide. Now, the pattern that I'm looking for is this is the moving average. Okay? Whatever number it is. I'm gonna be looking for stocks that has been trending down consistently, lower highs, lower lows for at least 2 months. And then at some point we reach this bottom and I wait until the stock start doing higher highs and higher lows. And at some point it's gonna cross the EMA that is significant for me. And this is the time for me to try. It's very good because it has been consistently going down. There is a change of character. There is more conviction. It's nice to see if it has volume increasing. And then something that I like, the stop loss is really close and well defined. It could be in the first low above the EMA, or you can use the EMA for that. It doesn't matter. But the upside is huge and the downside is very close. So we are talking about one pattern that could be losing 1x to make 4 to 5x, something like that. So let me show you a few examples that I trade. And actually, I activated this simulator in Thinkorswim. And let me show you here. This stock has been trending down. You see, lower lows, lower highs. And at some point, you have this low indication in the bottom. And then you have a higher low. And then you have another higher low really close to the area for the downtrend. It's very close to that area. And at some point, gap up. And this first trade, I could have taken that in the first day, but I prefer to wait a little bit for more confirmation. And then I took it here. How you see here in the picture, the pattern, I'm checking these EMAs and this negative downtrend. But for confirmation, I like to use relative strength. I'm not talking here about RSI. I'm talking about relative strength. That is different. It measures the strength of the stock against the overall market. And then this stock has been trading down and the relative strength has been negative also, weaker than the market. But at some point, I get this confirmation. I see the RS going up above the zero line, going positive, and this is an entry for me. So this is something that, I don't know, if you are trading the gap, you are out already. How I said, the stop loss is really close and has moved like 4x more. For the strategy simulation, I activated the P&L, and you can see here that it's positive. So this was one of the example. Hyatt, I made a post saying that I saw anti-tariff stock moving, like hotels, travel, etc. Okay, this is one example. Another example that you can see here is Carnival, same situation. Actually, this is even better because Carnival has been trading up for a long time, and then you can call this a stage 2. The same thing that you can. That's the definition that you can see on O'Neill's book or Stan Weinstein's book. Oliver Kell uses that too. So this is a stage 2. Then I have you see this is stage 3 happening, and then it moved to stage 4, and then you see this is stage 1 happening, higher lows, and when he moved to the positive, then it's the time to pull the trigger. Okay, cool. Another one is Royal Caribbean. Same situation, and actually this has been great. Royal Caribbean, you can see stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. Very, very well defined. Stage 1 again, and now stage 2. And this stock is still moving up. Really nice, very consistent. How I mentioned before, I like to see volume, not exactly in this pattern in the breakout. I'm expecting to see volume at the bottom. Some indication that the bottom is in place and there will be some kind of reversal. You can see here how much volume in this reversal. And then in the top, you can make the case that this is the reversal, and then it start going down. And then you see volume again here, and there is a reversal to the positive side. So this is great. Now, another example is this one. You can see all the stages too. Very nice. You can Rally is another example. It's good too. Tesla, that is still going. And then you can see exactly different stages. United Airlines, even prettier. Stage 1. All right, so you can see stage 1 here. You can see stage 2, stage 3, distribution, stage 4, and then we are going back. Now, this one didn't move nicely. It's still in play. It depends on what is your stop loss, but this is something that is tradable. The same situation for Alaska Airlines. You can see all the stays. Very nice. And another one that I didn't trade it last week. This is an old one, but I wanted to put it because on February we were experiencing the same situation and the stock went down. I have the same positive experience, and this is a trade that it took like from February 7 to March. Actually, I saw the here. It was on March 14, like a month to develop, but it was a really nice trade. Okay, so I hope you like it. It doesn't have to be complicated. You just need to look for the stages. This is a slow trade. It's picking the bottom, but the bottom, we can have confirmation to trade it properly.